Hello everybody and welcome to this little miniature video where we're going to be choosing the colour for our Mk1 Escort.
Yeah.
Quite exciting.
Excited.
Thank you very much, 420 votes. Now,
yeah, amazing, thank you.
I was sat in the pub for 3 hours last night, which was, yeah, fun, and writing all these down. So we've got the name and the colour choice of everybody that's voted. Loads and loads.
Like I said, you know, thank you so much. It does mean a lot.
Yeah.
Even though he had to write them all out.
I know, yeah. I had to just drink all those pints as I was doing it as well. So some of the names are like probably unreadable.
Yeah.
Right, going through the votes. So 420 votes. In last place is gold with only 3 votes. And then in joint second from last is silver and pink. Thank you very much for the 6 people that voted pink, including my brother, just to get me back for calling him short in the previous video. So we've got six pink votes in there. Then we've got bronze, brown, purple, black, orange, grey. Red only got 34 votes, which is surprising, isn't it, really?
Yeah, very.
Right, the top 4, here we go. Drum roll, please. Right, in 4th place is yellow with 46 votes. And then, which I thought would be top, is white. Only got 57. Boring. You reckon?
Yeah.
White's nice and easy though, isn't it? With a gold stripe, you know. 2nd place was green, 74 votes. And the most voted colour was blue, 105 votes. But, I mean, it doesn't matter, any could land in the cup. So speaking of that, what we're going to do is I'm going to put all the names into a pot. I'm going to go up into the office and basically chuck them all out the window, and Keith,
with the lid off,
is going to stand underneath with the spray gun held up. Whatever name and colour lands in that pot, that's what we're doing the Escort.
Yeah, hopefully just one lands in there, but I'm going to try and catch one.
Hopefully not pink.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's got, higher up percentage for all those top colours, but you never know. So, right, let's cut all these names up.
Yep.
I'll go up in the office and let's wang them out. Okay, I've cut all our votes up into individual pieces. Are you ready, Keith? It's coming down.
Ready.
Did you get one?
Got one.
Cool. Don't read it until I come down.
Okay.
Oh, let's have a look.
I'm not showing you.
What is it?
It is Mr. Spock. Paul Walker Mk1 blue and white.
Blue and white. Wasn't it white with a blue stripe?
No, you haven't watched Fast and Furious, have you?
No.
It's blue Escort with a white stripe.
I've not watched them since like Fast and Furious 4, I think, was the last good one anyway.
Yeah.
So what is it? Blue
body, white stripe.
Right, so there we go. Our Mk1 Escort is getting painted blue with a white stripe. I'll have a look on the internet and see what it looks like. Is there stripes on the bonnet as well or not?
Yeah.
Right, so yeah, stripes on the bonnet, stripe down the side in white. And yeah, we'll do it that colour.
Maybe do it with a bit of a twist.
So we could do it metallic blue instead.
Yeah.
Be nice. So Mr. Spock. So we were going to invite whoever picked the colour down, but obviously Mr. Spock's going to be on the Enterprise.
Beam me down, Scotty.
Somewhere, so he's probably, you know, too far away to come here. So, but yeah, that's it. We've picked our colour. Thank you, Mr. Spock.
Yep. Live long and prosper.
Live long and prosper. And we'll see you next week. We've got the car down the body shop now, so we're into bodywork. So, if there's anything you want to see, especially on the bodywork side, leave us a message and we'll bang it in the video.
Yeah, keep those messages coming. They're brilliant.
Yeah, smashing. So from me, I'll say see you again, and from Keith,
see you on the next one.
Bye-bye.